Hello, my dear aspiring officers. I hope, guys, you are staying healthy and you are enjoying your life with your daily routines here. Now, if I talk about today's video, guys, many of you might be feeling here one thing that, sir, why should I watch this video? Because it's just the month of September that is going on, and if I talk about at present, the examination of NABARD is going on. Okay, and you are asking us a question that's, let's talk about the current affairs for RBI Grade B examination of 2024. And I can assure, guys, majority of students will be here who will just be seeing this thing and they will say, okay, I am leaving this video because ये तो मैं बाद में देखूंगा जब आरबीआई की नोटिफिकेशन आएगी. Then there will be some students who will be saying, मैंने तो आरबीआई का एग्जाम दिया हुआ है, I know everything about the guide here. ठीक है, मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे तो पता है कि बस 5 महीने करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ने हैं, that I will do. Then there will be some students who are new to current affairs and they will be somehow thinking कि अब मुझे करना क्या है, मतलब अभी से पढ़ना स्टार्ट कर देना है. सर तो बोल रहे थे 6 मंथ से पढ़ना है. Now shall I start reading current affairs from September? Okay, I तो will be terrified here. So guys, the thing here is the purpose of this video, and if I talk about myself also, हो सकता है शायद मैं भी ना देखता कि क्यों देखूं, एग्जाम तो बाद में आने वाला है. But the point is why then I am making this video. The reason is, guys, because there is one very misconception in the mind of a student that current affair is the topic that needs to be read. But when I talk about current affair, it is that topic which is not something that you have to read. It is that topic which you have to understand. And if you are consistently watching the current affairs, you are consistently having an idea of current affairs, then it becomes easy for you to crack this RB examination. It's not about cramification. रट्टा मार लोगे कुछ हो जाएगा, but it will not be making your perspective. It will not be helping you to understand what is happening around you. And the third important thing, हो जाएगा, RBI हो गया, phase 1 हो गया, phase 2 भी तो है, and the most important thing, interviews are also there ना. And if you have a perspective building for current affairs, that is the thing that is being the thing that is required at the time of the interview. तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम यही डिस्कस करेंगे कि what are the pillars which you need to focus on when you are preparing for the RBI Grade B 2024 with respect to current affairs, and I will also be telling you in the end whether this is the right time to start reading current affairs or not. But first of all, let me just give you the brief idea of the current affairs. ठीक है जी, we will be discussing about the weightage of current affairs, the topics that needs to be covered here, the sources to cover that topics. Then we'll be discussing what is the right time to start preparing for current affairs, that is the coverage here. And the most important thing, at the end, I will also be discussing with you the what is the right strategy to be followed at this point of time. And guys, if you are those students who are having a fear of current affairs, you have done nothing about the current affairs, you do not know anything about current affairs, watch this video till the end. And also, guys, if you are those aspirants who have given this examination earlier on also, but you could not clear this examination, then also watch this video till the end, because we will be discussing क्या करना है ताकि अगले साल क्या बनोगे, RBI Grade B मैनेजर. Visualize yourself as a manager there. ठीक है, कुर्सी पे बैठना है और RBI Grade B मैनेजर पीछे लिखा होना चाहिए. उसके लिए चाहे अब से पढ़ना है, चाहे कल से पढ़ना है, चाहे परसों से पढ़ना है, बट पढ़ना तो है ना, तो why not start it today? This is the thing here. So let me first begin with the basic thing here. What is the weightage of current affairs here? So if I talk about this examination, why current affairs is a strong thing or why current affairs is a fear? Because it carries a very important weightage. So you have 80 questions of general awareness that has been there in the examination, which needs to be solved in 25 minutes. That's in phase 1 here. Now if I talk about in phase 1 examination, guys, you can see this year we have 70 questions that are being asked here. And previous year, if I talk about that, there was around 66 questions, which gives us an idea that इस साल our current affairs, the questions could be enhanced here. Now you will be feeling कि sir, I have heard many students who are saying this year it's a paper which is purely focused on static questions. The hardcore current was not there. But guys, that static was also derived from current affairs. So that's why I'm including that thing also in the current affairs. There are only 10 questions which they are hardcore static. Otherwise, if you are aware about these topics, you can get good marks here. Coming to the phase 2 of the examination. Now this year there was a surprise here. In the finance and management descriptive, you have seen the question from the 10 mark questions from the current affairs. ONDC पे question आया है. Then you have seen in the economic and social issues, which is always dominated by current affairs, the objective part, the descriptive part, the questions are there, which means it is that thing जिसके ऊपर आपकी नाव बैलेंस है. अगर नहीं हुआ तो गिर जाएगी, डर गए फिर भी गिर जाएगी, बट इट नीड्स टू बी बैलेंस्ड. That's the most important thing here. Now, what to be read in here? The point here is what is the thing here. So it's a basic thing here. Topics if I talk about in the current affairs, basically there are three things in current affairs which can be easily predicted from your notification. That is, you have a syllabus for economic and social issues, you have a syllabus for finance and management, but in the phase one you always see some questions that is related to appointments, persons, defense in news, science and technology, which we normally take as general awareness. So these three pillars should be in our mind when we are preparing for current affairs. Now when we are focusing here at this point of time, doubt आता है कि मुझे पढ़ना क्या है, and I can see guys majority of students are doing the wrong things here. What they start doing, they always say I am weak in current affairs, let me start reading the banking news, let me start reading mergers and acquisitions, let me start reading defense news, let me start reading about science and technology. No guys, because these are just for phase one of the examination, and if you are devoting your time there, to be really honest, you are wasting your time. वो नहीं पढ़ने हैं आज. अभी आज मैं बोलूं सितंबर में वो नहीं पढ़नी है ऑनेस्टली, चाहे बुरा भी लग रहा हो कि सर नहीं मैं तो पढ़ रहा था, मेरी तैयारी हो रही थी, नहीं पढ़ना. इफ यू टारगेटिंग आरबीआई, you have to focus on those things, because I've just shown you that economic and social issues is that topic which is your base for phase 2, which is your base for phase 1 also, because we have just seen 50 questions तो सिर्फ आपके कहां से पूछे जा रहे हैं, ESI एंड फाइनेंस से. तो उन 15 क्वेश्चंस के लिए आज मैंने थोड़ा करनी है, पहले जो 50 क्वेश्चंस है उस पे तो बेस बनाओ. सो दैट्स व्हाई द थिंग हियर इज यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन दीस थिंग, economic and social issues, and if I talk about that is your finance current affairs. Now let's talk about the first thing, that is finance current affairs here. The finance current affairs, if I talk about guys, I have divided this finance current affairs further on based on the you talk about the question that have been asked. That is, one topic is RBI and its website, which I have told as RBI notifications or press release. Then you can see the questions are on bank mergers, banking committees, and then there are some questions which are being asked from SEBI, RBI related news, IRDA related news. The questions are being there, so they are being categorized as per the syllabus that is given in the notification. And guys, the first thing that you have to read is this syllabus. So if you are thorough about the syllabus now guys, mind me, this is the starting pillar that you have to start with the newspapers. अगर आपको न्यूज़पेपर खोल भी रहे हो, नहीं तो क्या होता है अगर आपको ये चीज नहीं पता तो फिर भी आप पॉइंट 0 पे हो, चाहे आप कुछ भी पढ़ लो. You are at 0 because you do not know anything about this examination. This is the base that we need to remember. The syllabus, that is the point here. Now what I am saying here is, if you look at the syllabus here, look at the questions that have been asked in the examination. ठीक है जी, the question was on SEBI's regulation, which is on the unpublished price sensitive information here, where they have talked about a term by the name of LODR, and the question was which of the following occurrences are included in this specific LODR. So these are the statements here which you can see the question that has been asked here. Second question was again on SEBI, which is regarding the mutual fund regulations, and here they have asked you a term by the name of total expense ratio. Now many of us will be starting reading finance static because it's a total expense ratio. It should be covered in finance static. So मुझे स्टैटिक पढ़ना है. लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. ठीक द थिंग हियर, अब यहाँ पे क्या है, स्टैटिक क्वेश्चन लग रहे हैं, है कहां से, सारे करंट से. SEBI proposes tweak to the unpublished price sensitive information. Definition has been changed here. Second thing is SEBI proposes the total expense ratio for mutual funds. Clear cut defined in the headline only. That is the thing. So which means when you are starting reading current affairs, you first have to understand the things, what is the thing that has been asked in the examination. We are not aware about this thing guys, तो फिर फायदा ही कुछ नहीं हुआ. ठीक है ना. So this is the part you need to focus on. And if I talk about the RBI website guys, question was on Antardrishti, question was on guidelines on default loss guarantee that was released by the RBI. So you can see they were both seen in RBI notification. RBI website pe these things were seen here, and proper guidelines are being launched on default loss guarantee in digital lending by RBI. This tells us that when you have to start reading, the thing is you have to focus on these news where some major updation has been made, where some major change has been made in the guidelines, in the circulars, in the notifications or in that specific era. तो बहुत बड़ा चीज हुआ है, उस पे पहले फोकस करना है. अभी 3 क्वेश्चन दिखाए, म्यूचुअल फंड्स में चेंज हुआ, अनपब्लिश्ड प्राइस सेंसिटिव इंफॉर्मेशन में चेंज हुआ, डिफॉल्ट लॉस गारंटी पे चेंज हुआ है. So these are the major updations that have been done. This is the thing you should have an idea, because ultimately it can help you in your interviews also. Let's say there is some change that has happened here, and next time you have sit in interview और आपको पूछा गया कि what are the implications that will be there in the RBI, and if you are aware about the current affairs, you can say, sir, previous year also RBI has launched this thing, ठीक है, which is an impact of this thing, interlinkage could be made. This is the reason, guys, you have to be aware of the current affairs. Okay, so this was about finance. Now let's talk about the second prominent pillar, that is economic and social issues. Again, the syllabus is given in the notification. This year there is a slight change, but I think I obviously say that RBI has made a fool of everybody this year. What they have done is they have removed social sector's health, social sector's education, human development, Indian political system. These were removed, and there were many students who were feeling कि तो सोने पे सुहागा हो गया, health, education, Indian political system, इस पे तो न्यूज ही बहुत आती है. So these are completely omitted. Now they will not be asking those question. Look at the examination. They have asked question on everything. Indian political system, they have asked a question. They have asked question on social sector's health. They have asked question on social sector's education. Now this tells us, guys, you have to be pretty much sure about the things that are mentioned here, because what they have done is they have omitted these things, but what they have written is social justice. And if you talk about social justice, guys, everything is a part of justice ना, health, education, सब कुछ तो justice के लिए होता है ताकि social upliftment हो. And this is why you can see here the thing here, social sectors in India, इन्होंने करके क्या कहते हैं, social justice उन्होंने नाम रख दिया. तो ये चीज इंपॉर्टेंट इस पर चेंज हुई थी. ठीक है जी. So this is the thing here, and if I talk about, you can see behind me what are the pillars. If I talk about the schemes, about the SIS schemes, reports, and current affairs that are related to this specific syllabus here. Now let's talk about the government schemes here. So these are the pillars which you have to read when you are focusing on a scheme, because you can see the question is basically on the eligible beneficiary, ministry, launch year, कोई updation हुआ है तो वो पूछते हैं, and this is what you have to focus on. I can give you an example here with respect to the sovereign gold bond scheme, the question that has been asked. So if you can see the question behind me, there were 5 statements that were being asked, and they have asked us the statement which is incorrect. Okay, that is with respect to the phase 1 this question was asked previous year. So if you just see the thing here, first 2 statements are basically on eligible beneficiaries, and the remaining 3 statements are on the objectives of sovereign gold bond scheme here. And again, I get this question a lot of times, sir, what is the right time to start reading government schemes? Shall I start reading government schemes today? And I always say one thing, guys, there is a time for that thing, because government schemes आज पढ़ के फायदा नहीं है. हो सकता है एग्जाम में पूछे ही ना, but you should be aware about what are the things happening in government schemes. If there is any kind of updation or any kind of change that is made in government schemes, or some scheme has been launched, you should be aware about that specific scheme, because that you can quote in your descriptive answer writing also. So you should be aware about that thing. ठीक है जी. So you can see the question here with respect to PM Kusum scheme. The question was being asked. ठीक है जी. This was seen in news. Then we can see the question on sovereign gold bond scheme that I've just told with you, which was again seen in news in the examination. Okay, so this was seen in news, and consistently they were seen in news. Now let's talk about the next pillar, that is reports here, and this is the जिसको देख के मौत आ जाती है, मैं बोलूं honestly. ठीक है जी, सबको आती है, आपको नहीं, मुझे भी आती है कि इतना डाटा, इतना फैक्ट पढ़ना कब है, वो तो मतलब मुश्किल ही है, नियर टू इम्पॉसिबल हो जाती है रिपोर्ट्स. Now I always say, guys, you have to read the reports on priority which are given in the syllabus, and you can see here the reports that has been given here: RBI annual report, economic survey of India, then I will be saying world development report, financial stability report, trends and progress of banking in India report. Now again, I see a lot of students who start, just pause here, and they will say start reading RBI annual report. भाई नहीं पढ़नी है आज, ये तो आज पढ़नी ही नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि इनका सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको latest edition you have to read. So these are those reports which I always say are very important, but that has to be read at the end when the latest edition of these reports are released, and for that we should know about the exam date. So that is the most important thing. ठीक है जी. और ये का आपका सीक्वेंस बन जाता है, where if you are finding a report released by World Health Organization, World Bank, it is related to your syllabus, that needs to be covered, because that's important thing. Okay, then this is a report released by Niti Aayog which is focusing on education sector or health sector, or like to talk about gender issues related to syllabus, it should be covered. Then guys, there are reports by some private organizations like Oxfam is there, ठीक है जी, who are releasing some reports related to syllabus. So they are also reports which you should read here. Again, the question that is coming into your mind is कि सर आपने बोला है, now shall I start reading all the reports? Again, my answer is no, guys. You have to see the reports, ठीक है, जो कि न्यूज में चले, बहुत बड़ी रिपोर्ट है, वही थोड़ा सा आइडिया ले लो. क्रैम नहीं करना है, याद नहीं करना, ये पहली बात समझ लो, ठीक है जी. एंड दिस इज द थिंग, प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रिपोर्ट विच इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू सिलेबस, दैट इज वन थिंग यू डू नॉट हैव टू डू एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. उसको तो पढ़ना ही नहीं है, टोटली नो is the thing here. Then if I talk about how to cover the reports, so always there are 5 basic pillars, like you have to know about the releasing body, you have to know about the report, that is the parameters you have to know. Edition of the report needs to be remembered. Then rankings, global specific, India specific, key findings, global specific and India specific. These are the basic things you need to remember. And guys, this is one thing which I always say, this is the thing here. At this point of time, if there is a major report released and it has some recommendations with respect to India, they has to be covered. Reason being is because this can help you write very good descriptive answer writing. Because guys, you should not forget one thing. You have to start practicing descriptive. Descriptive कोई बच्चों वाली खेल नहीं है कि आज ही हो जाएगा, करना तो पड़ेगा भाई वो. और वही एक सूत्रधार है इंटरव्यूअर आपके. इसमें फेस 1 में बोलूं नहीं हुआ ना, कोई चक्कर नहीं है. फेस 1 में नहीं भी रिकमेंडेशन याद है, आपने कट ऑफ निकाल ली, यू आर 1 स्टेप फॉरवर्ड. बट अगर डिस्क्रिप्टिव नहीं लिख पाए तो भाई आप आउट ऑफ द रेस ही हो. फिर आप वहीं पे आओगे, चाहे जिसने फेस 1 निकाला है वो भी नहीं क्लियर हो पाया, और अगर आपने फेस 1 निकाल भी लिया and you could not write a better descriptive answer and you have not cleared this thing, then also you are at the same page. So this is the thing you have to focus on. ठीक है जी. So you can see the question behind me, that was regarding the report here. Which one of the following are the top 3 states here? That is basically the question that has been asked this year from State Food Safety Index that has been launched recently. Okay जी. Now you can see again the question behind me. ठीक है जी. State Food Safety Index, this is related to Indian agriculture, was seen in news just in the same month of the examination. Same goes with your India rankings 2023. The question has been asked, and this year what we have seen in the examination, the question or reports were more. ठीक है, generally 3-4 क्वेश्चन आते हैं, बट इस साल रिपोर्ट्स पे काफी ज्यादा क्वेश्चन आए थे. फिर एक क्वेश्चन आया है आपका डिस्क्रिप्टिव में. यू कैन सी द क्वेश्चन बिहाइंड मी, दैट इज द रिपोर्ट ऑन करेंसी एंड फाइनेंस, ठीक है जी, which is being released, and it is again the question that has been asked. The descriptive question on this report has been asked in the examination, which you can see is basically about the recommendations or the things that have been highlighted in this specific report here. Okay, so now let's talk to the third pillar, that is ESI current affairs. Okay, so you can see the questions behind me. ठीक है जी. किस स्टेट में हाईएस्ट जीएसटी रेवेन्यू है? अब क्या आपको ये हाईएस्ट जीएसटी रेवेन्यू आज याद करना है? नहीं. This is the question. I have given you an example. I have taken it this way. आज ये डाटा नहीं याद करना, ये कब याद करना मैं बताऊंगा. Stay till the end. ठीक है जी. This is the data. ICAR has signed an agreement. So agreement has been signed with which country? These are type of things which you should have read at the end. These are seen in news. बिल्कुल न्यूज में है जी, मंथ्स में भी है, लास्ट मंथ में. तो बट क्या उसको आज देखना है when you are watching this video in September? No. MOUs signed, highest GST revenue, not remember today. That's the thing here. ठीक है जी. Then comes to GA. This is one section I will say completely at this point of time. If you are not reading this thing, then also it's fine. इसको अभी नहीं पढ़ना है. आइडिया ले लो सिर्फ किस चीज का, एक टॉपिक का, दैट इज फर्स्ट इन न्यूज. बस कोई मौजूद गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव लॉन्च हो गया तो वो. अब आपको एग्रीमेंट आज नहीं याद करने. साइंस एंड टेक, except I will say the major thing, Chandrayaan, because this is the major initiative of India. Remember this thing. Otherwise कोई missions launch हो रहे हैं तो that is very less probability नहीं पूछेंगे. Defense exercise they keep on going, ना याद करो. Environment की news नहीं करो. Sports major event है, but Asian Games हुई हैं तो वो next year नहीं पूछेंगे Asian Games से question. छोड़ दो. Persons in news, books and authors छोड़ दो. ठीक है. This is one section guys that if I talk about at this point of time you do not have to read. Yes, these topics are important for the examination. We have seen 20 questions, but today you do not have to read these things. ठीक है जी. This is the point. Question you can see behind me. Yes, question आया था कंट्रोलर ऑडिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया में. वो कब आया? क्योंकि वो न्यूज में थे 29 मई को और जून में आपका पेपर था. ठीक है जी. again 6th of June. So this is the thing you need to remember here. Okay, you have to read these things, but I will tell you what is the right time to start reading general awareness, not today. Okay, we will be discussing about that also. You can see the questions behind me. All these questions are generally being asked from the last 3 to 4 months. So this is the strategy we need to follow here. Okay, now we have understood the topics here. What are the sources you can start reading today? Okay, ji, I always get a confusion. I always get one thing, guys. Shall I start reading newspapers? This is the time, guys. If you have no time now, because you can start reading newspapers, but what to read there? That's again a thing here. You can see the thing behind me. The sources, the questions from which are coming, it's PIB, Live Mint, it's a multiple thing. PIB, Live Mint, Hindu, Economic Times, RB website, सबसे पूछा उन्होंने. ठीक है, कोई भेदभाव नहीं, सबको प्रॉपर तवज्जो दी गई है. The important point here is this is one source which is known as the important source of government. Then we have Live Mint and the Hindu business line, which are clearly defined in your notification. Then we have this thing which is the Karta Dharta. RBI website is the Karta Dharta. You should always read this thing. But now comes a very important decision that you have to make today, guys. It's not about the number of questions. It's about which source you should pick today. Because I always get this question, TKG sir, which source to pick? Shall I start reading Live Mint, Economic Times, Business Standard? Because the questions are there from this specific thing. And I always say one thing, guys. आज आपको क्या करना है? आपको एक सोर्स उठाना है. This is the time to start reading a source, but pick only one newspaper and you can complement it with the PIB if you can. This is the time to do this thing. If you're self-preparing, absolute right time कि आप एक newspaper पढ़ो, but do not read all newspapers because then you will get confused. And second thing, it will not be helping you in any way. Questions आए मैं मान रहा हूँ, but फिर भी help नहीं होगा. तो सारे नहीं पढ़ने आज. Selected पढ़ना है. एक newspaper कोई उठा लो जो मैंने आपको बोला है. Live Mint, Economic Times, हिंदू, दोनों में से तीनों में से एक उठा लो. उसको अच्छी तरह पढ़ना है. ठीक है जी. Then you can see the question here. PM Kusum scheme from PIB. ठीक है जी. Sovereign gold bond PIB से आया है. You can see the questions on the finance news. Both are from Live Mint here. ठीक है जी. So this is the thing, guys. ठीक है. So if you are reading financial newspapers, I will say go with Live Mint. ठीक है जी. एक न्यूज़पेपर जनरल आया इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स जिसमें से क्वेश्चन आए पूछे गए इस बार, बट आई विल से फिर भी स्टिक टू वन सिंगल न्यूज़पेपर. कमिंग टू फेज 2, गाइस, इट्स क्लियर कट. यू कैन सी हियर पीआईबी एंड Live Mint. These are the two pillars. यहीं से ही क्वेश्चन आया है. तो बेटर इज टू डू विद दीज थिंग्स. इसी न्यूज़पेपर्स को पढ़ो आप, जहां पे फेज 2 में भी हेल्प करेगा. ठीक है जी. तो यू कैन सी द क्वेश्चन ऑन मिशन लाइफ. इट इज फ्रॉम पीआईबी. यू कैन सी देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन दैट वाज ऑन इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड्स रिपोर्ट. दैट वाज बेसिकली फ्रॉम योर Live Mint. So this was about the sources that you can follow. ठीक है जी. I will stay when we conclude this thing. I will be saying आप एक सोर्स उठा लो, न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना स्टार्ट कर दो. बिकॉज द रीडिंग ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर, एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट वन थिंग, दैट इज एडिटोरियल रीडिंग. दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू स्टार्ट डूइंग टुडे, गाइस. रीड एट लीस्ट वन एडिटोरियल अ डे with respect to the newspaper you are following, but that should be related to the syllabus. That's the most important thing. ये चीज आपको आज से करनी ही करनी है, editorial reading, so that your perspective could be built with respect to current affairs. Coming to the sources, guys, how many months are important, which is always a thing here. Look at the examination. I always say yes, the current affairs of past 5 months from phase 1. That is the thing here. You can see this thing. It's all being from past 5 months. And then for phase 2, if I talk about, you can see the questions behind me, guys. सभी 5 महीने पहले ही हैं, 2-2, 3-3 महीने पहले क्वेश्चन आए हैं. ठीक है जी. And that is 1 week before the examination. So you can see here, ना, you can see just I will just show you here. 18th of May, 5th of June. Now you will again have a question in your mind, sir. आप मजाक कर रहे हो सर, 5 महीने पहले पढ़ना है और अभी तो पता भी नहीं कब होगा. अभी तो आरबीआई का रिजल्ट ही नहीं है 2023 का. तो अभी मैं क्यों पढ़ूं सर? जो स्टार्टिंग में हुआ था ना कि क्यों पढ़ूं, क्यों देखूं, और फिर वही होगा कि क्यों देखूं. ठीक है ना. ये तो 5 महीने है, अभी तो पता ही नहीं पेपर कब होना है. सेम गोज फॉर फेज 2. आई ऑलवेज से 8 मंथ्स बिफोर द एग्जामिनेशन, बट पता कब 8 मंथ्स कब होनी है. और उनमें से भी लास्ट 6 मंथ्स आर द की हियर. You can see again behind me, these are again dominated by last 6 months here. And here the last 6 months is the key here. It's all the question that is basically from last 6 months. And here again you can see the question on mission life. It was seen in the month of April. Then you can see the question behind me. ठीक है जी. So now if I talk about the thing here, again you are in a dilemma now. कि सर स्टार्ट किया था, बड़ा मजा आया, बट आपने बोला 5 और 6 महीने पढ़ने हैं, तो अभी मैं क्या करूं? What should I do now? The first and the foremost thing is, guys, now you do not have to read current affairs, you have to memorize current affairs. If you are at this point of time starting current affairs, you have to understand the current affairs. Your understanding is important because you can see multiple things are there in news. Women reservation bill news में है, बहुत चीजें schemes news में है, तो क्या याद करनी है? नहीं करनी अभी. Understand करना है. That is the first thing here. And for understanding, the most and the first thing which I told you is you have to analyze the previous year question papers. You have to be thorough about the syllabus. You have to analyze the previous year question papers. Second thing that I was saying is start understanding the current affairs, which means you should be aware about these things. Okay, these are the things which are happening around you. You know that, okay, Ishram was seen in news. Maybe you do not know about anything about Ishram, but you know Ishram was seen in news. You know Mission Lifestyle is seen in news. You know Women Reservation Bill is seen in news. I have a basic idea. Do not cram. Have an idea of this thing. And your idea should be basically on those current affairs which are related to ESI and finance. कोई बंदा अपॉइंट हुआ है उसको नहीं याद करना. Major happenings with respect to ESI is there. Remember this thing. And the thing which I say is the most important that you have to do today is start reading editorials. That is the most important thing, because guys, if I talk about, this is the time guys when you can build your command on the descriptive answer writing. And yes, if current affairs is playing a prominent role, why not? You should also be ready with this thing, with the current affairs part. Okay, so now when I talk about all these things guys, the most important thing that is still in your mind is कि हमें ये चीज कहाँ से मिलेगी. ठीक है, so do not worry, we are providing you these things here. That is all these basic pillars. I told you analyze the previous year question papers. So this is a guidebook guys that we are providing to you, where you will be getting the previous year question papers. I said you should be thorough about the syllabus. The syllabus is also given here. Sources I have told you, but what about other sources that you can follow for your static part? The proper source list has been given here with which you could cover your syllabus. And the most important thing guys, where you will be getting it, it's absolutely free. You just have to click on the link that is given in the description below and these guidebooks will be yours. Other than that, I told you have to understand the current affairs. Do not memorize this thing. कैसे understanding करोगे? हम हैं आपके साथ. You can see these 3 series behind me. I told you start reading PIB is the important source. We have just discussed because it's equally relevant for phase 1 and phase 2. And I told you yes and finance current affairs. So in this PIB sessions guys, you will be seeing I am covering those topics which are related for phase 1 and phase 2, and you can start understanding these topics. आपको इन सेशंस में आके सिर्फ करना क्या है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग बनानी है. RBI website understanding, Kritika ma'am is here for you. She will be discussing all the major things that have happened in RBI website so that you keep on track. Okay, these are the things that are happening in RBI website. I told you have to be very much sure on your descriptive answer writing. Start writing descriptive answer writing. Editorials read कर रहे हो, descriptive लिखना चाहते हो, why to go anywhere? Surbhi ma'am is with you. She will be not just practicing, not just helping you in writing a descriptive answer writing, your answers will also be evaluated. So सोने पे सुहागा है, मैम के साथ सेशन लगाओ, आंसर्स लिखो, इवेल्युएट करवाओ. So this is how guys we are helping you. I'm not saying you have to start reading magazines. Magazines मत करो. अभी सिर्फ इन वीडियो से अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग बनाओ. When the time comes, I will be saying from the month of December onwards, then start reading these documents of the current tab, schemes tab, reports tab, which are again being designed for you so that you could properly cover all your syllabus. Okay, and guys, the most important thing, इसके अलावा भी कोई भी आपको डाउट है, ठीक है जी, तो you can attend the workshop of अंचित सर. ठीक है, फिर भी कोई भी डाउट है तो you can approach him. And now, if you have to start preparing your examination, just the beginning. So guys, we have these 2 courses for you. One is RBI Grade B Gold and one is Silver. So if you are a beginner, you just have to begin, you do not know anything, you can subscribe to this course where you will be getting every material of phase 1, phase 2 and interview, everything will be provided to you. If you are aware about the quant, reasoning and English, you know your phase 1 could be cleared, you have already given the examination, but you are weak in phase 2, then also guys, we have this thing for you. For that is a silver package where you will be getting only GA, but no mock test for phase 1 here, no quant, reasoning and English here, and your phase 2 part that is will be here. ठीक है जी, ESI FM, descriptive will be given here. Then your interview guidance will also be provided to you here. So this was about this session guys. I hope now you know that this is the right time to start understanding the current affairs. So start your understanding with respect to current affairs, ठीक है जी, and wish you all the best for the examination. Keep learning and keep working hard. Bye bye.